This is a little science experiment that we have. It's called our pH balance test kit. You guys can actually do this at home if you want to. What we're going to be using for this kit is pH Perfect. It's a dropper. It looks like this. And what this dropper does is it's going to change the color of a clear liquid according to the pH level that the liquid actually has. So we all know that being in an alkaline state is better for us. We're healthier, and that opposed to being in an acidic state. And an acidic state happens when you're stressed, you have a poor lifestyle, health choices, diet choices, you're exposed to some toxic environments. Naturally, over time, you get acidic, and that acidity can build up. In an acidic environment, what happens when you have an acidic body is high blood pressure, inability to lose weight, faster aging, diabetes, and in the worst case scenarios, even cancer. So we want to make ourselves in an alkaline state because alkalinity is a state that diseases cannot survive in. Diseases cannot survive in an alkaline state, but they thrive in an acidic state. So your body is constantly over the days trying to get you into homeostasis, meaning that your body is in a balance. And to do so, though, sometimes if you're in an acidic state and you're really acidic and you haven't eaten any alkaline foods or done anything to raise your alkalinity, your body will actually pull minerals from your bone, your teeth, and some other vital calcium structures to get minerals to get you into an alkaline state. So it's actually taking resources from other parts of your body to get you into an alkaline state. That's how important this is to your body. Now, to aid the process, we can either eat foods, we can have an high alkaline diet, or drink pH balanced water that are supposed to get you to a higher alkalinity just by drinking the water because it's pH balanced. So what I have here is a way where we could test the different kind of things that are known to either be acidic or alkaline. Now, some things that are acidic, and what I have here is a little graph, and this graph is just showing you exactly, thank you, Christine, exactly how these colors will show up. So once I add these droppers into the cups, it'll change to a color according to this scale. Now, our goal is to get as far down the scale as possible to be a more alkaline state and more balanced state. As you can see, the lower the number, you're in a more acidic state. So this could be after you drink a coffee, you drink a soda. Sometimes you'll realize your alkaline levels actually dropped and you got more acidic. So this is a scale we're going to use to show you the different alkalinities in these things that we're testing. First is the Sprite. We know that sweeteners are acidic. So we're going to pour a little bit of Sprite in this. And I'm going to test 2 to 3 drops in every single one of these. The next thing we have is purified water. This is just water that I found at Walmart. It does have enhanced minerals in it to make the taste better. So it should be a little bit better than the average tap water. Then we have the core pH balanced water. This core pH balanced water is pH enhanced. So this is known, if you notice there, pH water. So this is to raise that alkalinity level if you drink it. So we're going to test that as well. Like I said, this will change the color. So let's see what everyone measures. I'll do 3 drops. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That last one. There we go. Okay, let's mix up the Sprite first. The Sprite should be one of the worst ones since it is a sugary beverage. And as you can see, it's starting to turn a little bit more on that lower end of the scale. I would rate that, let's say a 3. I would rate that a 3 or a 4. Okay, so that is the Sprite. Now we have the purified water. So let's give this a mix. So you could see that there's a hint of blue in there, and that's probably because there's minerals enhanced for the flavoring. So I would give that a ranking of maybe 5 or a 6. Okay, now let's try the core water. This should be the darkest of all of them. Now let's see if it is. It is. So this is pH balanced water, so obviously it's going to score a lot higher than these 3. Now we can do this. We can also eat green leafy vegetables to get higher pH balance. Or, like I said earlier, minerals are great at balancing your pH. Now, we just happen to have Ion 5, like what Michelle just described to you, the powerful and most concentrated mineral supplement on the market. And what I'm going to show you is no matter what, if you don't have a water, if you maybe are in another country, you can't find a pH balanced water, or maybe you're strapped for ingredients, you can't get leafy greens, but you still care about your pH balance, Ion 5, this can fit in your purse, can be the great equalizer to make sure that your pH is always in balance. So I'm gonna drop about 5 drops in each and watch how this changes color. Boom, right into a deep, deep blue, which we're now looking at, guys, at almost an 8 or 8.5, just from a couple of drops of this Ion 5. So not only this, guys, this is just to show you the pH side of it. Not only does it balance your pH, not only does it also act as a catalyst for all the other supplements you're taking, vitamins and whatnot. Minerals are a great messenger carrier for all those ingredients. But on top of that, it has 72 essential minerals that your body needs to function. So that's what it looks like, guys, when you're drinking Sprite, acidic, when you're drinking purified water. But when I add Ion 5, it brightens up your life. So that's what we call lighting up your life with Ion 5.